Hi, I'm Aoife Noonan, and today I'm going to show you how to make this show-stopping hummingbird cake. Here I've used Fyffes delicious pineapples and bananas. Let's start with the sponge. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, pecan nuts, and salt, and set aside. Next are the wet ingredients. In another bowl, mash together your bananas, add the pineapple, which has been finely chopped. Then add in your eggs, oil, white sugar, light soft brown sugar, milk, and vanilla extract, and mix well to combine. Add the wet ingredients to the dry, then mix well. Pour the batter evenly between the baking tins and bake in an oven preheated to 160 degrees fan for 25 to 30 minutes. Once baked, leave to cool completely before frosting. So while the cakes are cooling, we're going to get started on the cream cheese frosting. In a bowl, beat the butter until smooth. Add the cream cheese and mix together. Add the icing sugar and vanilla and beat on a low speed until just combined. Then increase the speed and whisk until the frosting is thick and creamy. And now to assemble. Spread cream cheese frosting between the sponge layers and then cover the cake with the remaining frosting. I've made these really pretty pineapple flowers ahead. Here's how you make them. Working your way around the pineapple, trim off the rind and remove the eyes using a small sharp knife. Cut the pineapple into slices, making them as thin as you can. Arrange the slices on a tray lined with paper towel. Place another sheet on top and press firmly to remove as much moisture as possible. Once that's done, transfer to a parchment-lined tray and bake at 80 degrees fan for 30 minutes. Flip the slices over and bake for a further 30 minutes. Continue this process until the slices are mostly dry but still pliable. While still warm, place the slices into a muffin tin and leave to dry overnight. And then you end up with these beautiful little edible flowers that you can decorate with. But if you don't have time to make them, you can always decorate with pecan nuts. So there you have it. That is my gorgeous hummingbird cake. And even though it seems like there's a lot of ingredients, it really is super easy to make. So for something different, give it a try.